We are here for the demo of the CKX Check eXPRESS software. My file is read. Ben. I'll give him my original file. Could you please check if it's in my database? New file. So, is not in the database. The software, CKX, is translated into 29 languages. Right now, it's not in my database, so I can add it now. In this modified file, I have Stage 2, Pop and Bang. This is a project I have, Original plus Stage 2. Exhaust sound, Pop Bang. The tool used is Flex OBD Virtual. Flex OBD Virtual. I save it in my database. Erase the list. Here. So, I'm going to check. It's not in my database. I'll add it. Files reading with Auto-Tuner Bench. Here, you can add more tools. So, Auto-Tuner Bench. Original plus AdBlue, AdBlue EGR, AdBlue EGR DPF. I select option AdBlue EGR DPF, and for save I click OK. Here, I have my original file, Ferrari internal flash, whose name was shortened with short renamer software. I create a folder dump original with one click to store my file. I add original at the end of the name of my files. I drag and drop my two files. Check. It's two news files. I'm going to add them to my database immediately with the same option for both. You need to select the same option for all the files in this list. So, for now, I'm going to leave Ori as it is. Flex bench regarding the first one, and flex OBD regarding the second one. I'm going to select bench, this is for the demo, and select my tools, flex. Okay. The two files are now saved in the database without taking up extra space on my hard drive. If I drag and drop a 100% identical files and I checked it, and then it tells me that the file is already present in the database. You can see the checksum is here. Copies. Click on Database History. Look for the checksum and we see that on this file, I already have a stage 2, Pop and Bang. So, I will be able to find it in my database at the specified location. The database, it's possible to export it in either Excel format or CSV format. You can also simply save it directly as it is if you prefer to do so. It is possible to rename our files with checksums. If I have that file, I can tell it to rename. And there, at the end of the file name, we will have the checksum written. So, it's end of demo of CKX Check eXPRESS for quickly checking your database.